Senators implicated in the pork barrel scam say they are ready to accept the challenge of provisional state witness Dennis Cunanan to undergo a lifestyle check. But they add that they should not be the only ones to be subjected to such scrutiny. This report.
Senators Juan Ponce Enrile, Jinggoy Estrada, and Bong Revilla are willing to undergo a lifestyle check in response to the challenge of former Technology Resource Center head Dennis Cunanan. The three senators, however, said that although they owe it to the public, other officials should also accept the challenge.
It does not have to make it. The government can investigate. Use the NBI, BIR, ISA, everything. I have no asset in my name except my shares of stock in the corporation. So, open ako. Matagal na. I'm always open every day to a check. So.
Hindi, lahat kami. Bakit kami lang dinidin? Dami pang allegedly involved dyan sa sinasabi lang scam. Bakit kami lang? Yung mga congressman. But hindi nila lifestyle check. Yung mga binanggit sa COA report.
Senator Ramon Revilla, for his part, said in a statement that high-ranking officials like President Benigno Aquino III, Budget Secretary and Interior Secretary Mar Rojas and other members of the cabinet should also undergo the lifestyle check. But Senator Francis Escudero objected to this, saying that there is no need to include the president since he has nothing to do with the case. However, Escudero filed a bill obliging public officials to sign a waiver allowing investigating bodies to look into their bank accounts.
Ang panawagan sa ngayon at ang katanungan ngayon at may question at kaso ngayon ay sila. Hindi naman siguro tama na idawit at idamay pa nila si Pangulong Aquino sa isyong ito. Subalit, kung mapapasa yung batas at sana tulungan nila ako sa pagpasa ng batas na yan. Kung mapapasa yung batas na nire-require lahat ng opisyal mag-submit ng waiver ng secrecy of bank deposits, de lahat yon masasaklaw at maski si Pangulo Aquino masasaklaw ng batas na yan.
Meanwhile, Senators Sonny Angara and Escudero are also willing to undergo a lifestyle check.
Well, matagal na ako sumasang-ayon doon. Kasabay ng pag-file namin ng SALN, palagi kami nagsasubmit ng waiver ng secrecy of bank deposits tulad ng pinangako at sinabi ko nung kinonvict namin.
Both said that other agencies should emulate their example when the Senate is an impeachment court. Chief Justice Renato Corona. For People's Television, Bianca Piedad.